I'm using yarn by Yeye and a 1.3 mm crocheting needle. First of all, I'm going to make my magic circle. If you are using the Yeye yarn, don't forget to double your yarn just as you are seeing in the video. I'm going to start my heart by making 2 chains from the magic circle that I just made. After the 2 chains, I'm now going to crochet throughout the magic circle. I'm going to be making 17 double crochet into the magic circle, and this is going to help you get an extra large heart. At this point, I am done with the 17 chains. So now I'm going to pull one end of the yarn to close the magic circle, and then we are going to start our heart. So this is the first line. So now we're going to move on to the next line. I'll then do a slip stitch into the first stitch that I started with. And then make 2 chains. So at any starting point, make sure you crochet 2 chains before you start a new line. So the next line, I'm going to be double crocheting twice in each chain. So in each hole, I'm going to crochet twice. Now slip stitch into the first hole and then make 2 chains. So let's start with the third line. With the third line, you're going to double crochet the first hole, and then you're going to increase the next hole. So double crochet and then increase the next double crochet. So in short, it's going to be 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the next hole, and I'm going to do this throughout the third line till I get to the first crochet where I'm going to do my slip stitch. Now chain 2 and let's move on to the 4th line. With the 4th line, I'm going to double crochet the first hole, double crochet the second hole, and then double crochet the third hole, but I'm going to increase it by 1. So it's going to be 1 1 2. So single double crochet, single double crochet, and then double double crochet. And I'm going to repeat this process throughout the 4th line so I get to the starting point. Now let's chain 2 and then continue with the 5th line. So it's going to be double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and then we are going to increase the next one. So 3 double crochet and then increase in the 4th line. So this is the 5th line. So we are going to be repeating this process. So on the 6th line is going to be double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and then increase in the 5th line. So on the 7th line is going to be double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and then increase in the 6th line. So this is the 8th line. So it's going to be double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and then increase in the 7th line. So you need to take note of where you're going to be doing the increasing. Anytime you get confused on where the slip stitch is, count 2 chains, and that is the starting point. And then on the 3rd chain, that is where you're going to do the slip stitch. So anytime you are starting a stitch, we make 2 chains, and that chain before starting, so that is why you're going to be counting 2 chain, and then the 3rd chain is going to be your starting point. So for the first 8 lines of our project, I'm going to name it the introductory part. So now I'm going to take you to the body of this project, and I'm going to be giving you a detailed video on how to make the body of this project. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can get to know when I'm going to drop the next part of this video, and turn on your notification bell so that you will be among the first to get to know about the next video. Until then, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.